Hello, this is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta, and I'm down here in Jackson, Georgia. A little bit of a cool morning. Today we've got a 2025 Peterbilt 567 day cab. It's got the full fairings, chrome mirrors, stainless visor, 13 two-steer axle with 40,000 pound low air leaf rear suspension rears, air disc brakes all the way around, 293 gears. Riding around with some Goodyear Low Pro 22.5s. 208-inch wheelbase. These trucks are also PTO compatible. We've got the PTO switch in it. It's got the split fuel and hydraulic tank here on the right-hand side. We've got 70 gallons of fuel, 50 gallons of hydraulic oil. It's a 100-gallon fuel capacity on the left tank. We have 9 of these units to go. Let's take a look underneath the hood. Got our 455 horse Paccar MX-13. In behind it is the 12-speed automated transmission. Take a look inside. Air ride leather seat on the driver's side. Stationary vinyl on the passenger side. ABS off-road switch, traction control switch, an extra electrical switch for the trailer power. The overhead console, it's pre-wired for your CD radio. Tow pins, fire extinguisher and triangles. Multi-function steering wheel. We are ready to go. So if you could use 1 or 9, give me a call, 706-372-4698, and let's make a deal.